any of the earlier things, earlier chapter? Any doubts? No, any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, can you explain the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution?
Copper sulfate solution. What happened in this one? Can you tell exactly what is? Here the charges will move. In this case, these are carbon rods. Copper sulfate, two plates of carbon are inserted into the copper sulfate solution. In this case, copper sulfate plus dissociates to form, means it will convert into ions. It will form copper ions. So these are positively charged copper ions, which will start moving towards cathode, and it get converted into atom. So those atoms of copper are solid in state. So those solid get deposited over cathode. So you can see here, this is a cathode. So you can see the solid copper get deposited over this rod. And another side, instead of sulfate, it is a ion, sulfur and oxygen separates, and the oxygen gas will be evolved from the anode. So copper, we will get deposition of copper on the cathode and the bubbles of oxygen gas from the anode. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Any other you need? Just a second.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can you explain electrolysis?
you're absent again.
Ma'am, actually, I'm having exams, so.
I have uploaded the this one videos on the YouTube. All the videos I've uploaded.
Okay.
Start solving answers. Start writing the answers. One second. Wait. What's the first answer? Most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of
Acids and bases.
acid, base, and
Salts.
salts. The passage of electric current through a solution causes dash effect.
Chemical effect.
Chemical effects. If you pass current through copper sulfate solution, copper gets deposited on the plate connected to the dash terminal of the battery. Copper get deposited on
Negative.
cathode, that is negative terminal. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called
Electroplating?
electroplating. Alcohol is a alcohol is non-electrolyte. It won't conduct current. When the free ends of the tester are dipped in a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain the reason? Can you explain the result? Amitabh, what could be the answer?
The magnetic effect of electric current.
Magnetic effect of electric current, but you have to explain it. That's right. How you will explain it? Yes, anyone?
Because the circuit wasn't completed.
No. Whenever the current is passed through the conductor, it produces a magnetic field, and due to which the compass shows a magnetic needle or compass needle shows deflection. Okay, and that electrolyte that solution is an electrolyte. It conducts current, due to which current flows through the wire, and due to which the magnetic needle shows deflection by using magnetic effect of electric current. Reason is that solution in which the wires, free ends of the tester are inserted, dipped, that is a conductor or electrolyte. It conducts current. So circuit is complete. So a wire is conducting current, and due to which the magnetic needle shows deflection. Name 3 liquids which, when tested in a manner shown in figure given, may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. So what are the liquids? Examples, can you tell?
Tap water, lime water, vinegar.
Okay, tap water, lime water, vinegar. Yes.
All the acid, bases, and salts.
Yes, all the acids, all the bases, all the salts. Are you writing the answers? Are you writing the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in this figure. List the possible reasons and explain your answer.
That
What are the possible reasons? Number one, yes.
like it would very poor conductor.
Okay, fine. That electrolyte is a poor conductor. Then,
The bulb might need more energy, which the liquid is not able to provide.
that means it is a poor conductor. Both are same.
Ma'am, the bulb may be fused.
Bulb may be fused. Oh, yeah, fine. That can be the answer. Third one.
Cells may have been used.
Okay, cells are fused or cells have been used up, so they might not work. The connection might be loose. These are the possibilities, right?
Liquid
Does
in the
yeah? Yes, yes.
liquid in the beaker will be
Yeah, it is non-electrolyte or poor conductor.
yes.
Okay. Does pure water conduct electricity?
No, ma'am.
If not, what can we do to make it conducting?
We can add in it acid, bases, or salt.
You can add some amount of acid or base or salt. In case of fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electric supply for the area. Explain why they do this.
Because water is a good conductor of electricity.
That's right. So water, when they are spraying water, so water may spread here and there, and it is a good conductor of electricity. Normal water, not distilled water. They are not using distilled water. They are using the tap water, which is a can be a good conductor. It is a good conductor of electricity. So due to electric supply, possibility that water start conducting current and will provide the serious shock to the people nearby. Therefore. Completed fifth one. Have you finished fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
A child staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also the seawater with his tester. He finds that the compass needle deflects more in case of seawater. Can you explain the reason? Devratna, what could be the answer? Devratna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what could be the answer? Yeah.
Double.
Question number 6.
Ma'am,
Typing
can
in the
I?
Google.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Samiksha.
ma'am, can I?
Yeah, Samiksha. Yes, tell the
Ma'am,
answer.
seawater contains a higher amount of salt in comparison to drinking water.
So,
That's why the seawater is a better conductor of heat.
yeah, more conductor, it will conduct current, more amount of current than the drinking water. Amount of impurities or amount of salts in seawater is more as compared to drinking water. So it is better electrolyte or better conductor of current than drinking water. So it carries more amount of current and hence the compass needle deflects more because more amount of current flows through the circuit. Next, seventh one. Is it safe for the electrician to carry out electric repairs outdoor having heavy downpour?
No, ma'am, it's not safe.
Why?
Ma'am, as the rainwater consists of salt, so it can conduct electricity.
Yes, rainwater consists of many salts, impurities, acids. So, due to the which the rainwater will become conductor, and it will be difficult for carrying. The person will get severe shock. Next one. Mary had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. So she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and tested it using a tester. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reason?
question?
Eighth one.
Rainwater has salts, right?
Yes. Acid.
So
Actually, acid. It consists of some acids. Acid rain, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is.
Ma'am, rainwater consists of dissolved salts and acids,
Yes.
so which makes it a conducting solution. Ma'am, should I say the answer?
Which one? Yeah, that is done. No, eighth one is done. That is the rainwater as consists of some acids as well as some amount of salt. So due to which it will conduct current. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated.
Ma'am, monuments.
Monuments, okay.
Ma'am, wheel rims of vehicle.
Jewelries.
Jewelries, right.
Ma'am, iron rods.
Iron rods, right. Chairs, generally iron chairs, iron table. Further,
Ma'am, those taps.
taps, right.
Ma'am, handles of doors.
Handles of doors, yes, right.
Ma'am, wheel rims.
Wheel rims, right. Yeah, many more you have listed. Fine. 10th one. No. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
10th, the process that you saw is used for purification of copper. The process that is the purification of copper, that is electrolysis of copper sulfate. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as electrodes. That is in the second part, electroplating process. Copper from impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery? So thin plate has to be this one. Thin plate of pure copper has been taken, and another one is a thick rod of impure copper is taken. And in that process, the copper will be transferred to thin plate of pure copper. So now out of these two, thin plate of pure copper and thick rod of impure copper, which one is taken as positive and which one is taken as negative electrode? It is exactly similar to electroplating. Yes, the substance which is to be plated is connected to this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So here on which electrode the plating has been done, the substance which has to be plated should be cathode or anode.
And
The substance to be plated, that means in case of a key and a copper, iron key and a copper, iron key is connected to
Cathode.
Cathode.
Cathode. That means the substance, the object, the article which has to be plated is taken as a cathode. So here is a thin rod of copper. This is thin pure copper. And the thicker one, impure copper, thicker one is taken as a anode. So this is thick impure copper, which is anode. So from here, these impurities are there. Along with copper, some other impurities are there. So only copper, when you switch on the current, only copper will transfer from this anode to electrolyte and from electrolyte to cathode. So deposition will be done on cathode. So here what they have asked, which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery? So which one has to be connected?
Thick impure copper.
Thick
Thick
impure
and impure copper.
Thick impure copper plate has to be connected to the positive terminal. Remember this, these questions are very common. Okay, then why should you not touch electrical appliances with wet hands?
Water has salts in it, so when we touch electrical appliance, so we might get shock.
Yes, right. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Water from taps and hand pumps have like salts in it, so it can conduct electricity. But whereas in distilled water, like the distilled water doesn't have any salts in it, so it doesn't conduct electricity.
Okay. Ions also you can tell. Taps
Okay,
and
ma'am.
hand pumps consist of salts as well. That means because of that they can have ions, charged particles. You can write charged particles. But the distilled water do not have any charged particles. Therefore, it does not conduct current. Okay, done. Everyone have you wrote the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Write all the answers first, then I will ask you. Yeah, first answer.
Ma'am,
Yes,
A.
ma'am.
Bulb of the tester glows brightly for liquid A, while it glows very dimly for liquid B. You would conduct conclude that A is better conductor than B, right? Which of the following is preferred to make an electromagnet?
Soft iron.
Soft iron.
Soft iron. Current is the flow of
Electrons.
electrons. A positive charge ion is called
Anion.
anions. Positive charged ion is anion and negatively charged is cation. True or false? Pure water is a good conductor of electricity.
False.
False. Distilled water is an insulator.
True.
True.
True. Leather is a good conductor of electricity. False. Leather consists of dead cells,
Okay, ma'am.
so it is not. It's false. Petrol is a good conductor of electricity.
False.
False. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
One second. What is LED?
Light emitting diode.
Light emitting diode. Name a gas which burns with pop sound.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas burns with pop sound. Which electrode is connected to the negative terminal of the cell?
Cathode.
Cathode. Name the ions which are positively charged.
Protons.
Anion.
Ions.
Ion.
Anions. Anions is positively charged. Cations are negatively charged. Cathode, cation. Anode, anion. Name a device which is used for electrolysis of water. Electrolytic cell. Write a chemical equation for the electrolysis of water. Chemical equation. Water bypassing current forms hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So it is two. Hydrogen gas is evolved at cathode and oxygen gas is evolved at anode. Completed?
Just a second.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Define the following. Electrolyte.
Liquid solution.
A liquid that conducts electricity.
A liquid or aqueous solutions which conduct current or electricity, conducts electricity, are called as electrolyte. Cathode.
Ma'am, electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery.
Yes, right. Anode.
Ma'am, electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery.
Yes, right. D is ions. Johns, it is ions. Ions are charged particles. Charged particles are called ions. Voltmeter. Electrolytic container is called voltmeter. The container in which the electrolysis is performed is called voltmeter.
Done, ma'am.
What is electroplating?
It is the process of depositing like any desired metal on another material by electricity.
By use of electricity or electrolysis is called as electroplating. Draw a neat double diagram of voltmeter and label it. The first diagram of electrolysis, what I have drawn, that is voltmeter. That's electrolytic container, cell, electrodes, cathode, anode, and electrolyte, battery. That diagram is the voltmeter diagram. Identify the following as electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Dilute HNO3, that is nitric acid.
Ma'am, electrolyte.
Electrolyte.
It is an electrolyte because it is acid. Benzene, non-electrolyte, it won't conduct. Petrol,
Non-electrolyte.
non-electrolyte. Zinc chloride solution,
Ma'am,
Electrolyte.
electrolyte.
electrolyte. Solution of NaOH,
Ma'am, electrolyte.
it is base, so it is electrolyte. Ether, non-electrolyte. Alcohol, non-electrolyte. Common salt solution,
Electrolyte.
it is
Electrolyte.
electrolyte. State 3 uses of electrolytes. Lysis,
To coat one metal on another.
that is for electroplating. Electroplating one desired metal on the another articles. Second one,
Ma'am, it is used in industries for production of many metals and non-metals.
that's right. Third,
It is used for refining, refining of impure metals.
Refining of impure metals, right? I've given you exactly 3 only. And you have the question for 3 or 5 marks, that is describe an experiment for the electroplating of iron with the copper, or describe an experiment to show the chemical effect of electric current. So you have that activity you have to explain. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So write those 2 questions and write it at home and upload it in Google Classroom. Describe an experiment. Describe an experiment to show chemical effect of electric current. And next, describe an experiment for the electroplating of an iron object with copper.
And can you repeat the first one?
Describe an experiment to show chemical effect of electric current. And second, describe an experiment for electroplating of an iron object with copper.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
So complete these answers and upload it in Google Classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave them.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
This
Thank
week,
you, ma'am.
this week you have maths exam. I will tell you afterwards. Today
Okay.
night I will message you.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.